Hello friends. Today I'm going to discuss about how to update the price of any material when quantity is zero, right? In our SAP there is a provision to maintain the price. You can use the transaction code MR21, right? Once you execute the transaction code MR21, first you need to enter the posting date, company code and plan code. If you have invoice number or document header text, you can maintain, right? After enter the data as per the above screen, press enter button and click on. New screen will be appear, right? New screen will be appear, right? Here again, same the posting date, company code, plan code, and here you need to fill the material code, right? Material code, what is the new price? For example, I have maintained this 1000 and 1000 price will be maintained, right? After enter all the required data, click on the save, right? Very important lines. MR21 can be executed only when there is a zero quantity in the stock, right? So hope this is useful SAP tutorial for you. Many times we will feel this type of the problems and such type of the scenario arise to maintain the stock when the quantity is zero, right? Please share this knowledge with your finance person for this updates. Have a great day. Have great learning.